And it goes a little something like.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ashley and I'm so happy to have you here with me today. Today I'm going to be doing a daily vlog. It is 9:50 in the morning. I actually have a lot of things that I'm doing. I'm getting a haircut, which thank God, because this hair, it just needs something done with it. And then I actually have 3 appointments. And then I think I want to show you guys some room updates that I've done because I got a new desk chair, which I will show you guys. And then I also want to get new end tables, or like the nightstands for the side of my bed. So I think I know which ones I'm going to get, and then I'll have to put them together and then I will show you guys. But I'll have to do that. I think I might go soon. Maybe I'll go before my first client today. So let me do a little more work really quick before I have to go to my appointments. I'm gonna sit you right here. Because it's warm out again, I could bring out my mules. So what I think I'm gonna do right now is go to Target before my first appointment, because then my appointments don't end until like 5. And I just want to see if they have these end tables at Target so bad. There's like 2 that I'm debating between, which is like the white ones. The white ones match my dresser perfectly. But I also like love these rustic wood ones, and they have those there too. So I don't know. I'll have to look at both of them and see like what I decide. But when we first moved to this apartment, I just like didn't focus on my room as much. I more so focused on like the living room and kitchen and made sure we had nice things in there. And so now I'm like trying to like work on my room a little bit. I got a new desk chair, which I will show you guys when I get back. It's just so cute. And I want to get end tables because I have like 2 discombobulated tables. One is back there, which I'm actually going to bring to my spa. It's like this gold table. I don't know if you can even see it. It's like the round top ones. And then I have an end table that is also in our living room, so I have like the match of it in my room. So it would be nice to have matching ones. So I will show you guys that if I get those. I hope they're in stock. So I'm gonna go to Target right now. Let me start the car. Woo! It's pretty warm out. Well, not quite yet. It's supposed to get up to 43 today, and it's supposed to be 60 by like next week, which that's fabulous. Which matches my dresser, but then there's this one. I don't know. Okay, so actually, I think I'm gonna go with the white ones, just because my dresser is literally the white ones, and like, shouldn't they match at least a little bit more than like brown and white? As much as I love the brown ones, the white ones would just match better. But I'm actually going to order them online because I don't want to carry them to my car. So I'm like, they bring it to my car from you with just like the drive up thing. So yeah, so I'm gonna buy those right now. So then they'll be ready for pickup when I'm done with work. All right, so I'll see you guys at work, and then I'm gonna get my hair cut, which I actually get my hair cut at the same place that is my job. And then I'll just probably spend the rest of the night assembling them because assembling my dressers were crazy. So I know this is gonna be crazy to assemble. So it's fine. All right, I have got to go. I am gonna be late. All right, guys. So I just ordered a smoothie and I am going to go pick it up. It looks like before. It looks so good. I just got like the layers, can you see? And I got it cut. Boop. Nice and fresh. I really needed it, to be honest, because my hair was getting so done at the end and it was just looking so blah. So I'm actually right now at Michael's. I ordered Noodles and Company. I got my penne rosa, which I love so much. Also, my hair is so staticky because I just got it done. I'm gonna run into Michael's and I'm just gonna look for like this nice like greenery to put next to my bed, which is gonna go on my new nightstands. So yeah, I'm gonna go in there right now and do it. I'm still drinking this because I'm trying to get my greens in, which I don't really get in as often as I should. But yeah, let me go into Michael's really quick and I will show you guys everything when I get home later, and we'll like set up my room and everything, and I'll show you some updates.
Like, this is great for reasons like this.
Okay, so I am finished for the day. I finished all of my clients and now I'm excited because I am going to go pick up my nightstands, which are ready at Target, and I think I just pull up. Have a good one. Thank you. All right, I got him. But they look like this. I'll show you guys in the sunlight tomorrow too. Good morning, guys. Last night we literally just worked so hard on these nightstands. They took so long and we honestly just went right to sleep, so I wasn't able to film an outro. I wanted to show you guys what they look like in the daytime as well, so let me do that. So this is what they look like in the daytime. Super cute. Then I could even open my window. And then this is my desk chair. Oh my gosh. I'm literally obsessed with this desk chair. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed today's vlog, don't forget to hit the like button, and honestly leave a comment down below of anything that you want to see me doing, or anything that you think I should be doing in these daily vlogs. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.